Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's GALA update for 5th February, and this is actually pumping like absolutely crazy at this very point of time. It's amazing, the market just flipped in a second, and GALA just caught my attention right now. And if you're not in the Discord, join me in the Discord if you do want to see Bitcoin updates as well. And this is where the Holy Grail is. The link is in the description of this video. Now let's talk about GALA and why the hell is it pumping, man? It's just completely taking off from this, probably some sort of an ascending triangle right there. And no, it's not an ascending triangle but a consolidation box that was happening here. So basically the technical target out of this one is going to be from the top to the bottom, and it seems like you've already met the technical target. Can you continue to the upside? That's the question. Now there should be an exit strategy, and I would recommend you to actually start booking your profits here, because I don't want you to actually FOMO into the green candles. Now, it doesn't mean it cannot continue to the upside. I'm not saying it cannot go to the upside, but when you see green candles like this is just the result of those people who are buying down there. Now, there was a very nice, beautiful W pattern like this, and then that one right there. So basically what you're doing is from the top to the bottom right there. This is where you're breaking out, and then you went all the way to the target, which is 0.24584. Now, it's still so bullish, and there are three white soldiers, which this candle is going to close in the next 55 minutes, and you're putting in a nice three white soldiers right there, and you could still continue higher to 0.29001, and then from there make a nice good retest back down to 0.21. It's possible, guys. When you break a particular resistance, you always go down to backtest that resistance. Okay, so be careful. If you're actually in a profit, I would recommend you to take a little bit out of your profits out. Now, the 4-hour time frame, it does seem like this was some sort of an ascending triangle, and the technical target of an ascending triangle from the top to the bottom, this is where it is. Yeah, so you're looking to go to $0.27. Now, for me, that's the technical target out of this ascending triangle, basically, and that's where you're going to actually potentially stop. Because on the indicators, if I bring in the RSI, that's actually really oversold at this very point of time. And you could actually look where it went to 82. Okay, so that's really oversold. And anytime you are in the 82 department, look what happens. You go to the 82, come down. Okay, 82, come down. You go hit your resistance, you come down, right? Then you went up, then come down, then you went up, then come down. So basically right now, this is a selling department for me. Once it hits the technical target of that nearly 0.27 right there, and you could book your profits, and you're looking for an entry. If you're looking for an entry, of course, is wait for it to actually slow down to this yellow line, touch the yellow line, and then we can continue from there. And yeah, Bitcoin is actually looking very bullish, and some of these coins are now breaking to the upside, and one of them is just being GALA. So that's a very small quick update for the coin, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.